Kobode Rising People's Party RPP Khantu Minister for Higher Education Timjen Imna Along Council of Minister Bra Hatai Divigogina Avas Uthai Dia Asekili 125 crore of serious fraud case involved Kugena National Headline Kridia Nimite Kuidia Asem RPP Khantu Press Statement Higher Education Minister Opur criticized Kura Asekili National Headline Kugena Iman Dangor Scam te involved Kugena Thaka normal business dispute takshe kugina clarify kura karni koidia ase aro itu case ti BJP government khan iman silent kugina ja thaka fraud and cheating activity toli condemnable act ase koidia ase RPP khan pi point out kugina reminded kura ase ki Narendra Modi government bra corruption free India mati thaka opor justify karni state BJP party khan bra first Chief Ministerial Advice Kugena Ministership bra drop kur dibole lake koi dia ase aro RPP khan pi recently dikhan bra Kohima High Court complex construction cases ti naga contractor dujon opor action loi ena ja thaka opor appreciate kri dia ase aro party khan tu without delay PWD official opor CBI prosecution grant kri dibole Chief Minister Rioke urge kri dia ase Naga Hokan consultative meeting on Naga political issue Government of Nagaland Khan Matigena Rakhila Oporte participate Kugena Koithaka to Naga political settlement laga issue to Huli Naga Manu laga Hate Aseko di Shekili Naga Manu Khan Bratu Kiki laga settlement te Hulipi mutually agreed Kurole Napargena inclusive and honorable settlement standpoint Hojae Aro Itubra discord and conflict within Naga family machete ulai thakan mite koi dia ase aro government of India GOI khanbra Indo Naga conflict final settlement kubole napargena ja thaka tu Naga manu machete hat milabole napara issue mite ase aro Itubra older and younger generation east west north south phakugena ja thakan mite Naga Hokan statement kuri dia ase Naga Hokan pi Gao Mahasabha Yatra itu moina 28 tarik state capital Kohima ponchibo koi thaka oporti state cabinet khan permission deny kuri dia nishna Guru Gauri tu Naga custom and tradition ti livestock ekta ase itu karni inika yatra alag religion Naga manu khan tu accept kurubole na parbo koi dia ase 9th of September Sam Dimapur Shokhoviroti Tata driver hit and run incident hogina polai thakya police khan tu Tata driver search operation ajitak conduct kuri thakya report pailu ase police official report dia sabti hadsa hua Tata gari toli National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL khan laga thaksha aro 32 years cycle cholagina jai thakya iman biabra jokhum kuri dia apchiti spot bra polai jai dishe koina report dia ase